The Carnival Loyalty Program is getting a major makeover. Why the change? Carnival says this shift keeps the program fresh and better reflects active loyalty, not just cruising history. Carnival's current very important fun person VIFP Club will officially be replaced by the new Carnival Rewards Program on June 1st, 2026. All existing VIFP members will transition automatically on that date. Most existing tiers will be locked in for 2 years until May 31st, 2028. However, Diamond members will enjoy an extended grace period of 6 years until May 31st, 2032. Why now? Carnival President Christine Duffy cites a massive rise in elite tier members. Diamond status holders have more than tripled since 2021. This change aims to restore exclusivity and value to upper tiers. Loyalty now has an expiration date. In the current VIFP Club, once you reach Platinum or Diamond, you keep that tier for life. With Carnival Rewards, status is earned and maintained through ongoing spend. There will be 4 status levels to achieve: Red, Gold, Platinum, Diamond. There will also be a 2-tier system: Stars for status, reward points to redeem. Once you qualify, your status is good for 2 years. After that, it's re-evaluated based on your spending in the prior 2-year window. How to earn stars and reward points. Cruise fare plus onboard spend. Earn 3 points per 1 UAE on most onboard purchases, including spa, excursions, drinks, dining, etc. Casino play. Earn 1 reward point for every casino point accrued. Note: does not earn stars. Carnival Rewards MasterCard. Everyday purchases earn both stars for status and points for rewards. Milestone bonuses. Special bonuses like 5,000 points for 50 cruise nights, 10,000 points plus gifts at 100 nights, and more. Redemption points are usable for cruise discounts, spa, dining, and excursions. Customer reactions so far. Backlash is building. Longtime cruisers say it's unfair to those who don't spend heavily on board. Loyalty experts compare this to airline-style spend-based programs, though it's still unusual in cruising. Carnival says the change is necessary to reduce elite tier overcrowding and better reward high-value guests. They've promised to listen to feedback during the rollout process. What it means for you. High-spend cruisers will benefit most, earning both stars and points quickly. Budget travelers who relied on cruise nights to earn status may struggle. Strategic spenders can still get ahead by optimizing card use, booking smartly, and watching for promos. Final take: Carnival Rewards marks a major shift from a time-at-sea model to a money-spent loyalty strategy. It introduces more dynamic earning, broader redemption options, and deeper integration with everyday spending. Positives: redeemable points, flexible earning paths, more meaningful rewards. Negatives: no more lifetime status. Budget cruisers may feel left behind. If you're a value-driven cruiser, you may want to rethink your onboard strategy or consider if the Carnival Rewards MasterCard fits your lifestyle. If you're a frequent spender, this could be your most rewarding chapter yet. What do you think of the new Carnival Rewards program? Will it help you or hurt you? Drop your thoughts in the comments.